Students, welcome to your biology class, and today we'll discuss about the shoot system. And this is the aerial part of the plant that bears uh, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits, and from it grows towards sunlight and away from the gravity. And the stem is the main part of the shoot system. The stem is the main part of the shoot system, and the point from where a branch or a out. Leaf comes out on the stem, that is called node, and the region between the two nodes is the internode. Region between the two nodes is called the internode, and buds may be present at the nodes or at the tip of the plant. A bud is a condensed shoot, and it gives rise to a new branch or leaf. Buds present at a node at the angle between the branch and stem are called auxiliary bud. Buds present in a node, and the angle between the branch and stem is called auxiliary buds. Buds present at the tip of the stem or branch are called terminal bud, and it is also called apical bud. This is called apical bud. And besides bearing the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits, the stem also conduct water and food to all parts of the plant. And green stems also carry out photosynthesis. These are the primary function of the shoot. And now we'll discuss about the modification of the shoot. The stem may carry out other specialized functions too. The specialized functions are storage of food, provide support, provide protection, and for photosynthesis and storage of food. First, we'll discuss about the storage of food. In storage of food, the rhizome, tuber, bulb, corms are there. First, rhizome. It is a solen stem that grows horizontally below the soil, and it is thick and branched, and it has nodes and internodes also, and buds and scale leaves. For example, ginger, turmeric, etc. And tuber, this was the rhizome of ginger. Rhizome of ginger. And next, tuber, an enlarged, roughly spherical shaped stem without any distinct nodes and internodes. Eyes are present, and new plant develops from these eyes or buds, for example, potato. And next one is bulb. The stem is highly condensed into the flat disc at the bottom, and it is a terminal bud which is covered by many scale leaves. Many scale leaves. Inner scale leaves are fleshy and store food and water. For example, onion, lily, garlic, etc. and corn. It is a solen vertical underground stem that consists of a solen base surrounded by scale leaves, and it has one or more buds grow into a new plant, for example, gladiolus and colocasia. This was the corms. And all of you remember, you should remember that a rhizome is an underground stem that grows horizontally, and a corm is a somewhat flattened round structure. In the onion, garlic, etc., the stem is reduced and disc-like, and it is the scale leaves that turn fleshy. And now we'll discuss about the provide support. In plants, grave like grapes, passion flowers, gourd, and the stem is weak, the upper branches of the stem get modified into tendrils. These are the tendrils. And the tendrils coil around the neighboring object to the provide extra support to the plant, and tendrils are thin, green, wiry structures that respond to contact by coiling around it. Remember, tendrils are thin, green, and wiry structures that respond to contact by coiling around it. And third one is provide protection. The thorns of a rose, the thorns of a rose, Duranta citrus plants provide protection against grazing animals, and thorns are the modified auxiliary buds on the stem. And last one is for photosynthesis and storage of food. The stem is flattened, green, thick in plants like the opuntia and ruscus. In others, to carry out photosynthesis and store foods. The opuntia and ruscus are types of cacti. Cacti means it is, and its stem is modified into uh, spines, and this thick green stem is known as the phylloclade. And next, the some stems are weak in plants, and they may be classified as runners, stolen, offsets, and climbers. And first one is runners. In grass, the stem grows along the ground very fast. It produces fibrous roots, and an aerial shoot at every node. And this kind of stem growing parallel to the ground is known as runner. Next one is stolen. In mint, strawberry, the stem grows in the form of a gentle or above the ground. At every node, aerial shoots and fibrous roots are produced. These are called stolen. See the picture. This is the stolen strawberry. And next one is offsets. In water, hyacinth, water lettuce, and the shoot grows parallel to the surface of water. The internode is thick and has large intercellular space to help keep the plant floats. This is the offsets of water liters. And next one is climbers. And climbers are weak stems and which cling or twine around the support to grow. For example, money plant, morning glory, etc. And now you can see there some text questions from this. The thick green stem in Opuntia is called phylloclade, and the condensed shoot is a bud, and the thorn is a modified buds.